A new era of power introducing the iPad Pro 13-inch M4. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Power, performance, and portability coexist, designed for professionals and creatives who demand the best. Let's start with the heart of this powerhouse, the M4 chip, blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking. A visual feast, the Ultra Retina XDR display. The iPad Pro 13-inch boasts a Liquid Retina XDR display, a 13-inch window into a world of vibrant colors and stunning detail, 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. Every visual experience is elevated. Promotion technology ensures ultra-smooth scrolling. Storage galore, 256 GB of space for everything. In today's digital age, storage is everything. We're capturing more photos and videos than ever before. The iPad Pro 13-inch comes with 256 GB of storage. Enough space for all your essential files, apps, and media. Say goodbye to storage full notifications. Download and install all the apps you need. Store your entire music library. Carry a vast collection of movies and TV shows. The iPad Pro is a portable workstation. Edit large video files, work on complex design projects, create professional-grade music. The possibilities are limitless. Section 4. Capture every detail. 12 MP cameras and LiDAR. Let's talk cameras. The iPad Pro 13-inch M4 isn't just about consuming content, it's also a powerful tool for creation. And it all starts with the impressive camera system. We're talking a 12-megapixel wide camera and a 10-megapixel ultra-wide camera. That means stunning photos and videos no matter the subject. But here's where things get really interesting. The iPad Pro 13-inch M4 also features a LiDAR scanner. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. This technology measures depth by sending out lasers and measuring how long it takes for the light to bounce back. What does that mean for you? It means incredibly realistic augmented reality experiences. Imagine placing virtual furniture in your living room to see how it looks, or interacting with 3D models in a whole new way. The LiDAR scanner unlocks a world of possibilities. Section 5. Connectivity and security. Wi-Fi 6E, Face ID, and more. In today's hyper-connected world, staying connected is more important than ever. The iPad Pro 13-inch M4 keeps you online and in touch with the latest Wi-Fi 6E technology. Wi-Fi 6E offers faster speeds, lower latency, and increased capacity compared to previous generations. But it's not just about speed, it's about security. The iPad Pro 13-inch M4 features Apple's advanced Face ID technology. Face ID uses facial recognition to unlock your device, authenticate payments, and keep your data secure. It's secure, seamless, and incredibly convenient. And let's not forget about battery life. The iPad Pro 13-inch M4 is designed to keep up with your demanding lifestyle. You can expect up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. That's enough juice to power through a full day of work, creativity, or entertainment. Section 6. The allure of space. Black, sleek, sophisticated, powerful. The Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M4 is a device that exudes sophistication. It's a statement piece, a testament to Apple's commitment to design and engineering. And nowhere is this more evident than in the space black color option. The space black finish is more than just a color, it's an attitude. The deep, rich black finish is both elegant and understated. It's a color that commands attention without being flashy. It's the perfect choice for professionals who demand a device that reflects their own sense of style and sophistication. The space black iPad Pro 13-inch M4 is a device that looks as good as it performs. It's a device that you'll be proud to carry, a device that says you mean business. Section 7. The future of productivity. Why the iPad Pro is a game changer. The Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M4 isn't just another tablet. It's a paradigm shift in mobile computing. It's a device that challenges the very notion of what a tablet can be. With its powerful M4 chip, stunning XDR display, and advanced features like LiDAR and Face ID, the iPad Pro is a true game changer. This is a device that can handle anything you throw at it, from demanding creative tasks to everyday productivity. It's a device that can replace your laptop, your drawing pad, and your entertainment system, all in one sleek and portable package. The iPad Pro 13-inch M4 is a glimpse into the future of computing. It's a future where power and portability go hand in hand, where creativity and productivity know no bounds. It's a future that starts today.